Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. This is going to be just a quick one after the daily candle close. We did break out of the channel to the upside and retested from above, a sign that ideally this fifth wave down here is finished. We completed the third and we might really be on our way in the fourth now. I think that is sort of to a degree confirmed now, and we can see three waves already. I think we had here an A wave. This might have been a B wave, and now we are moving up in a C wave of the fourth wave. I can actually add the ABC labeling here to the chart. And again, bear in mind, this is micro counting, but I suggested to you in the previous video that we need to be ready for this fourth wave move to the upside at any point now, because this fifth wave could be finished of the third, and then the fourth wave could reach the region around the previous wave 4 high. I think that was okay. I think that worked out very, very well. What we now need to be ready for is that this could still go a little higher, maybe closer to the previous wave 4 around 21,900, 21,950. We'll have a new decision point here, because typically a wave 4 would go into the region of a previous wave 4. Now also the very first target for such a fourth wave would be the 23.6 fib level. That's exactly where we are now, 21,845, measured by taking the length of the third wave, and then is the retracement of the fourth. And you can see how we're fighting with the first resistance level. Then we will have structural resistance here around the fourth, and then the ideal target for a fourth wave is normally here, 22,070. That's the 38.2 fib. And the absolute maximum it should do is the 50% fib. I mean, this would be a nice short trade. Well, I will go to bed soon, but if this is still hanging in there tomorrow and maybe even goes a bit higher, I might consider that a short trade that I will take into the wave 5 target zone, which goes at least below the third wave, below 21,480. But it depends on how I'm feeling tomorrow, if I'm in the mood. Yeah. Not in a short trade mood every day, but this is certainly a setup. Yeah. Now I wouldn't short trade without a signal down, like an initial 5 wave move down, and I would like it to go a bit higher first, ideally into this region. I mean, this is not a target zone, this is more resistance. Yeah, it has done what it needs to do. It's done 3 waves. The C wave is higher than the A wave. It has come into the region of the previous fourth, so be ready for a move down from here. But in my opinion, I would like it to go a bit higher to short it, but either way, you know, it's up to you. I mean, we see already quite a nice rejection. I mean, maybe that's already happening just now, and the move down has already occurred. The thing is, what you can see here now is quite a strong rejection, and what we need to know is that typically a C wave can reach either the 1-to-1 ratio. I mean, that is an ideal target. We've reached that, by the way, here at 21,920. I did post that to channel members like half an hour ago, that this could be a nice short trade setup, and that the 1-to-1 ratio is in that region. So we had good confluence around 21.9k. And if we now get rejected and break below the wave B low, then this is a good confirmation that the short is working out already. Yeah, and below the B wave, I mean, that's sort of a breakthrough point in my opinion. It should accelerate from there ideally, and then break below the wave 5 low as well. Bear in mind, nothing is moving in a straight line. If this is now already the fifth wave, but it's a bit too early to confirm, then this should move down in 5 waves. Yeah. What is best is, in terms of confirmation, is an initial 1-2 setup. And if we get an initial 1-2 setup, which means the wave 1 off the wave 5 down and the wave 2 up, then you can trade the third wave of the fifth. Now we're just seeing here some kind of a retracement. I mean, the C wave, as you can see, it has 5 waves up already. So maybe it's finished, you know. It reached the previous wave 4 high. It reached the 23.6 fib. It reached the 1-to-1 ratio pretty much. So maybe it's already done, but it's a bit too early to say that. For me personally, it would be worthwhile to wait for a little bit higher, you know, a bit picky with short trades, but we'll see. If it breaks below the wave below, then I think we are already in the fifth wave. Yeah, and that's sort of where we are. I did give you a broader outlook about the entire Bitcoin chart in the previous video, so if you want a little bit more of a higher level overview, check that out. And otherwise, I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.